Hello friends, again most welcome to our YouTube channel and in the 1000 MCQ series of Gpat day 2. So let's start with the first question. In treating immunodeficiency disease, the goal is to maintain the IgG level at about, the correct answer is option C, 200 mg per dl. Which one of the following is the property of microemulsion? The correct answer is option C. They exhibit a viscoelastic gel phase when internal phase is added in excess. The rheological and functional properties of synovial fluid are impaired due to, the correct answer is option D, decrease in the content of hyaluronic acid. Movement of charged particle through a liquid under the influence of applied potential difference is known as, the correct answer is option C, electrophoresis. As per US FDA, NDAs for new chemical entitles are classified as either, the correct answer is option B, P for priority review or S for standard review. In pre-formulation study, polymorphs can be detected by, the correct answer is option D, differential scanning. The following is used to determine the amount of drug bound to the protein. The correct answer is option A, equilibrium dialysis. In tablet, hydroxypropyl methylcellulose is used as, the correct answer is option B, film former. Deakin's solution is a synonym for, the correct answer is option B, chlorinated soda solution. Medline, Embase, EBM and IDIs are, the correct answer is option A, drug databases. Theories of emulsification are characterized by one of the following except, the correct answer is option B, phase inversion. When two brands of drug product gives the same clinical result, it is termed as, the correct answer is option A, therapeutic equivalence. Soda ash is also known as, the correct answer is option B, sodium carbonate. Microcrystalline cellulose is also called as, the correct answer is option D, avicell. Which of the following statement is not true regarding bulkiness? The correct answer is option C. Smaller particles shift between larger one and increases the bulkiness. Which polymorphic form of drug candidate has highest melting point? The correct answer is option D. Stable. Which of the following oxide is not used for achieving amber color to the glass? The correct answer is option C. Cobalt. For bitter drug in a pediatric formulation, excellent flavoring agent will be, the correct answer is option A, raspberry syrup. In case of suppositories base, SFI stands for, the correct answer is option D, solid fat index. The co-administration of erythromycin with cyclosporin, the correct answer is option A, increased bioavailability due to inhibition of hepatic metabolism. Thank you for watching our video. We will meet in the next day.